Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are doing good and taking care of yourself. So as you can tell from the title of this video that this is going to be something different from my usual videos. So in this lockdown period, like everybody else, I have also indulged myself in some of the things that I would love to do, but with my usual routine or my day-to-day work, I maybe not getting the time to do that. So in today's video I will be sharing with you some of my lockdown favorites. So if you want to know more about it, please keep on watching and I hope you will like this. So let me first start with movies, and before that let me tell you about my preferences in movies, because I don't have one. I can literally watch anything which is interesting and entertaining at the same time. So needless to say that in this period I have watched a couple of movies so far. So among all those, I just want to mention one movie which is The Terminal. So it's starring Tom Hanks, and I guess most of you have already seen it because it released back in 2004. But I'm very late in that manner. So I have just watched it some 2 weeks back, I guess, and I really liked the movie, and Tom Hanks was amazing in that movie, and it's a very short, endearing story. So if you are also like me this late, so you can just go and give it a watch, and I am sure you will definitely like it. So I have watched a couple of Hindi movies as well, but there is nothing as such which I can tag as my favorite. But that Sumangal Zyada Savdhan is there on Prime Videos, I guess. So, and that is also a very nice movie. I have watched it before, so you will absolutely like Ayushmann Khurrana in that movie. So that is also something which is worth watching. Uh, Okay, so next coming to the web series. So this is also a very good time to binge watch all your favorite web series, old and new. So I'm already watching some of my old favorite web series, but along with that, I would like to mention about Money Heist. So they have recently telecasted their season 5 and it is released on Netflix. So I really like that show. It is very engaging, full of drama and thrill and everything. So I guess most of you have already watched it because it is all over the internet with their memes and everything. So if you haven't watched it, please give it a try. And now coming to the next web series that I would really like to mention and I really like to recommend you people. It's a Hindi web series called Panchayat. So I guess it is by TVF and they really tell their stories very well. So it is one of their masterpiece again. And this is a very realistic, short, cute story about a guy. So I won't tell much about it. You can only go and have a look. And I really recommend this web series if you have it watched already. So after movies and web series, let's come to books now. So I really could not indulge myself more into reading in this period, but I'm trying to complete one of the book that I have started long back. So it's Geoffrey Archer's Cain and Abel. So let me know if you have already read it, and let me know your feedback or if you like the book or not. So of late I was craving Bengali writing so much, so I started with Sheshir Kobita by Tagore. So I guess there is a translated version also available if you want to read it in English, but I'm really unsure how much the essence of Tagore's writing you will get from the translated version. But if I find that, I'll surely link it in the description box below. Okay, so next coming to hair care and skincare favorites. So this time I don't have any makeup favorite as such because I have not bought any makeup products in recent times and hardly I am using any. So but I have skincare and hair care favorites with me, and which I would love to speak to you about these two products. So first coming to the Claire toner, and it's their supple preparation facial toner, and it's by the brand Claire's. So I'm using it daily now and I'm really loving this particular toner. It is very moisturizing on your skin. So if you want me to do a full review on this particular toner, do let me know. I would love to do that for you. And next coming to one hair care product, which is Mamaearth Onion Hair Oil. I know I have spoke already about this oil on my channel, and I have a full review on this as well. So if you haven't watched it, please go and have a look. And as I have already mentioned that I really love this oil, and I have been using this oil for like past 3-4 weeks now, and I'm really loving the results. Okay, so after all this, let's come to the food part now. So this lockdown has made all of us, at least most of us, go back to their kitchen and made us explore the inner chef in all of us. So I am also no exception. So apart from preparing the daily ka dal chawal, I have tried my hands in baking, and this is the cake that I made for the very first time in my life. And I don't want to boast about myself, but this turned out pretty yum. And this all small updates I keep on posting on my Instagram. So if you are not following me there, then what you are doing? Please follow me there, and let's connect and have fun. Okay, so that's all from my side today. I hope you like this video, and this is the first time I'm trying this kind of content on my channel. So do let me know if you like it. So I will be uploading more such videos in the future as well. And do check all the other videos on my channel. And if you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also please hit the bell icon whenever you are subscribing, so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'll see you on my next. Till then, take care of your friends and family. Bye bye.